I've been working on fixing up this bathroom here, and I put this nice curved shower rod on here. This thing's really nice because it gives me some elbow room. And I got this little nice suction cup hook there to hang a rag or swim shorts or something from there. And that's all pretty nice, but the thing I've been wanting to do in here is to put in a new shower head. So luckily I got this new shower head sent to me to make a video about. This is a paid post. It's got an overhead shower right here, and then it's also got a handheld shower nozzle right here. So this is really nice because you can clean the shower with it too. You can clean up everything in the shower, keep everything clean in here. So these are really nice. Plus you can also use these to wash your feet or to wash pets or whatever. And it's got a button here to turn the water off. So yeah, that thing's pretty nice. All right, let me go ahead and show you how I put this thing up here. The first thing I need to do is take off the old shower head. There's no water coming up to here as long as your faucet's turned off. So you can just unscrew this right here to take it off. You might be able to unscrew yours by hand, but this one's on here pretty tight, so I'm going to use a wrench. Once it gets loosened up there, you should be able to take it off by hand. All right, there's the old shower head there. I'm just going to reuse this one up here. I'm just going to clean this up a little bit and put some new tape on there. For my new shower head, I got this brand right here. And it came with some Teflon tape here. So I'm going to wrap a little Teflon tape up here. All right, I got that on there. Here's the next piece right here. This will allow the shower head to go up here like this. And then this will allow the hose to come down here for the handheld shower head. This just screws on right here like this. This won't do anything right here. You can turn this all you want. It's not going to do anything there. This is where you got to tighten up there. I got it hand tight, and that's probably good enough, but I'll go ahead and turn it a little bit with the wrench here. That's probably good enough. Okay, we'll get back out the Teflon tape here and put a little bit of Teflon tape on there. Same thing down here on the side. Okay, here's the shower head arm right here. This is for the shower head. Get this screwed on. That one doesn't seem like it needs a wrench. That's about as tight as it goes. And then it's got a little nozzle there. Kind of adjust this how you want it. There. But we'll lower it because it looks like there's another piece on here that needs the Teflon tape there. I got it all set up and it was leaking, and I realized I forgot to put one of those O-rings in here. So I'm going to put one of those O-rings in here real quick. There's one of those little O-rings there. There we go. Came with another little spool of Teflon tape, so I'll put that on there. Yeah, I'm looking at it backwards and I just got turned around there. And so when I started screwing it on, it began to unravel. Same thing here. I don't see any reason to use a wrench on here. It seems to be hand tight there. All right, so we'll get this up here adjusted. So that's pretty nice. I can just stand right underneath the rain shower here, so that's pretty cool. All right, now we got one more to hook up on the bottom here. Oh, this comes off. I was trying to screw it with that on there and it wouldn't go anywhere. So don't make the same mistake I did there. Take this little plastic piece off. That's not part of the shower head there. That's just decoration. And this just goes on hand tight. There is a wrench here if you have a little bit of a leak. There's a little bit of a notch there to put a wrench on it if you have to. All right, so same thing on the bottom. Take that piece off. That's just to protect this from getting scratched up. And then we'll put the shower head on there, the handheld one. It also came with a little baggie of O-rings. So you see, make sure you got your O-rings in here so that way you don't have any leaks. And then if you need some extra O-rings, you got them right here. And it comes with another little baggie of O-rings, and then it's got an Allen key and a little cap. This one here is a little bit tricky because it's got white on it, so you may think there's tape on there already, but it still needs the Teflon tape there. And this one doesn't have an O-ring in there, but there should be one in the shower right in here, so that should be good enough there. All right, and then there's a little hanger here that attaches. Here's the hanger right here, this hook right here. It's got a sticker on it right there. So I could stick it right there. That seems like a good spot for it. And I can hang this up right here. So that seems like that would work good. All right, you just peel the sticker off the back here. And then you put this on here where you want it. If you mess up, you mess up because it's not coming off. So that'll have to be good enough. And then you got this little piece here that comes up, that goes on like this. And then that will hold that shower head right there. Looks pretty nice. Now we'll just test it out and see how well it works. All right, then once you get in here, you can make some adjustments. This looks a little too short for me. I'm about 6'2", so I'm gonna raise this up a little bit here. So that should be good for me. Come down on me right there. All right, now I'll go ahead and turn it all on and see how it works. I've been procrastinating on putting the shower head up there, but I'm really glad I did. This thing's really nice. It's got an overhead shower right here, and then it's also got a handheld shower nozzle right here. So this is really nice because you can clean the shower with it too. You can clean up everything in the shower, keep everything clean in here. So these are really nice. Plus you can also use these to wash your feet or to wash pets or whatever. And it's got a button here to turn the water off. So yeah, that thing's pretty nice.